Hi everyone, my name is Ksenia and welcome to my channel. Today's video is gonna be my review of a product that I was sent in exchange for a review. They sent me their lashes and Wowliner, which is an adhesive eyeliner in black. I will show you the lashes first. So they're super natural. So the cool part about this liner is that it's adhesive, so it already acts like a glue, but it is a liner. So we'll see how that works. I'm gonna open it now. I haven't opened it yet. So it is just a liner. And just a little card here. It says how to use.
Shade the Wowliner pen, apply the eyeliner along your lash line and wait for it to dry. Put on the strip lashes onto the liner and make sure they lock into place. It says it's quick, easy, any lashes, and it's long lasting.
So that'll be something cool to try on because I think it's a great concept. I wonder if it's similar to just a glue texture, but I hope not. We'll see. I'll try it on my hand first. It says wait for it to dry before applying, so I'll test it on my hand first. Oh yeah, it's very sticky. So wait for it to dry. Doesn't have any scent. So, one tip for you guys, if you're gonna use this, don't look up because it's sticky. So it got stick to my eyelid and it left a little bit of a residue. I applied lashes on my left eyelid. Since they're so natural, you don't really see them. But they actually sticked really well. These lashes are great because I don't have to trim them. I can feel when I was applying that the liner is still sticky. So I wonder if it's gonna dry fully or it's gonna be sticky all day. But both lashes are on. It does feel like they are secure. To finish my eyes, I'm gonna use a little bit of mascara. This mascara is super natural. It's Natural Lashes. It's Lancome Definicils. So I applied both lashes to both of my eyes, so we are done. It was pretty easy. I do like the color of the liner and the application was pretty good. I tried a lot of other lashes and ways of application. Like I tried the magnetic lashes with magnetic liner. Not a really big fan of the texture of the liner. This liner's application is pretty easy. It does remind me of the high-end ones, kind of like Kat Von D liner. Love it. So we'll see how it's gonna hold up and I will check back with you in a couple of hours. It's me again. So it's been about 5 hours since I applied the lashes and the liner. Seems like it's holding up really well. It feels comfortable. I don't feel like lashes will leave my face. It is the same day. Don't be fooled by the lack of my bright lip. I am on my way to Target, so I thought I'm not even gonna bother wearing that bold lip to Target. And at the same time, I'm wearing a mask, so nobody will see it and I don't want to get my mask dirty. So it is the same day, 5-hour update, and I will check back with you in the end of the day. So it's been about 9 hours since I applied the lashes and the liner. They do hold up really well, except you can see there is a little bit of a transfer of the liner to my lid. I thought about it at first. I was like, oh, that really sucks. But at the same time, nobody said that it's a Wildflower liner. The lashes do hold up really well. So overall, I'm happy with this liner and the lashes. If you do want to try them out, go get them. I hope this video was helpful or at least entertaining for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below what products you like me to review next. And I will see you in my next video.